Welcome back, students. In this video, we are going to discuss another lab session using Microsoft Excel. Previously, we discussed two exercises using Microsoft Excel functions. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to use what if analysis. How to use what if analysis in scenario manager or using scenario manager. What is the meaning of what if analysis, or what is the purpose of what if analysis? You know that very well. In Excel sheet we are having the data in different cells and we are using the formula or function wherever it is necessary. Whenever we are making a change in particular cell value, how it is affecting the other cells, how the values are changing in the other cells. This is what we are going to use in what if analysis. This is what we are going to use in what if analysis. There is an example. A college uses the following data for its early budget allocation. Currently, the college has 1000 students and each student pays a fees of Omani Riyal 1400 per year. The management currently having a profit of 10% of its income. The remaining income is distributed as follows. Because 10% is for profit, so the remaining 90% they are going to distribute in the following activities. Salary, they are going to pay 35% of the income. Office expenses 40%, research and professional development 5%, community engagement 8%, tax 12%. Now we are going to calculate the corresponding budget allocation in Omani Riyal because they have given in the percentage out of 90%. Now we are going to find out the amount budget allocation in Omani Riyal. Instead of percentage, we are going to find the values in Omani Riyal. Then we are having three different what if analysis conditions. The first condition, if the management decides to change the profit percentage to 8 or 12% or 15%, how these changes will affect the salary, office expenses, research and other activities. Because currently they are having 10%, so we are going to calculate the corresponding Omani Riyal how much amount, and when we are making the changes into 8%, 12%, 15%, how this allocation will change. This is what we are going to discuss. The second condition, what if the management decides to increase the fees by 10%, 15% and 20%? Currently, the college is collecting the fees of 1400 Omani Riyals. If they are increasing the fees, for example, they want to change the fees by 10%, 15%, 20%, what is the changes in the profit? How the changes will make the affect other allocations? We are going to discuss this in the second question. What if the management decides to admit 1200, 1350, 1500 students? See, now currently what is happening, we are having 1000 students. The college has admitted only 1000 students. If they are planning to increase this number from 1000 to 1200 or 1350 or 1500, how it is going to affect the other areas? So this is what we are going to discuss in what if analysis today's class. This is what we are going to discuss in what if analysis in today's class. The basic thing, we are going to convert these values into an Excel sheet. We are going to convert these values into the Excel sheet. So here is the Excel sheet. I am going to enter the data. It is given number of students. How many students are there currently? We are having 1000 students. And the fees, annual fees, it is Omani Riyal 1400. Now I am going to make the calculation of total income. I'm going to make the calculation of total income. What is the meaning of total income? I am going to multiply the number of students multiplied by the fees per year. Fees per year. So I'm going to multiply this number of students with the fees. With the fees. So here is the total income. So we are having 1,400,000 riyals. 1,400,000 riyals every year as a income. Now I am going to identify the activities. What are all the activities they have given? We are having salary, then we are having office expenses, salary, office, then research, then community, then tax. So this is the expenses. The expenses. And then we are going to check for the profit. So what they have given, the profit is 10%. The profit is 10%. That means the remaining value will be the expenses. How to find this? You know that very well. The percentage is 100% minus the profit. Minus the profit. What is the profit? 10%. So here the 90% will be the expense. 10% is the profit and 90% is the. Now they have given the allocation. Budget allocation is given. They have given in the percentage. So I'm going to include them. This is 35%. The next one 40%. Then 5%, 8%, and 12%. Now we are going to calculate how much profit with respect to the current number of students and what is the expense with respect to the current number of students. So this is what will be this here profit. I'm going to make the equation here. So this is equal. What is the total income here we are having? This is 1,400,000 riyals multiplied by 10%. Multiplied by 10%. So our profit is 140,000 riyals. 140,000 riyals. So the remaining will be here. So remaining, how I am going to make the calculation for the remaining? This multiply this, isn't it? 1,400 multiplied by 90%. Now I am going to find the corresponding amount in riyals. What they have given, this 35% is out of 1,260,000 riyals. 1,260,000 riyals. That means I am going to make it equal 35 multiply the corresponding expense in 90%. So the salary will be 441,000. But we are going to keep this cell for all the other calculation. So in Excel, we can use the dollar symbol, $G, $7. So when we are using dollar, we can use the same cell for the calculation in the other areas. I'm going to drag to the other areas because we are going to use the same formula for all the other calculations. So here is the calculation for 40%, 5%, and community 8%, and tax 12%. This already we know that this is a simple calculation. But now in this video, we are going to discuss what if analysis using scenario manager. Using scenario manager. If you go to data, you will find what if analysis. If you go to data, you will find your what if analysis. When you click this drop down box, you will find three different methods. One is called scenario manager, one is called goal sheet, and one is called data table. In this video, we are going to discuss scenario manager, how to use scenario manager, because we are having three different scenarios. Each and every scenarios we are going to use, and we are going to find the values. When you click the scenario manager, it will ask you what are all the things you need to make that. What are all the scenarios we are going to make that. So I'm going to click add, because the first one we are having with respect to profit, isn't it? First one we are having with respect to profit. When we check for the profit, they have given, they are going to change the profit 8%, 12%, and 15%. They are given that the profit they are going to change 8%, 12%, and 15%. So which cell we are going to change? Here is the profit cell. In this box, we are going to make the change, isn't it? So I'm going to select the profit cell. Now we have given, I have given the name profit 1 for my understanding purpose, and then I'm going to click OK. How much we are going to make the changes? The first value we are going to make 8%. What is the meaning of 8%? This is 0.08, isn't it? In the first profit, this is 8%. So 8 divided by 100, this is 0.08. Next, I am going to add next idea, profit 2. Again, we are going to see the cell, it's a 6. Okay. The next one, we are going to make 12%, isn't it? We are going to make 12%. Then the third one, I'm going to click profit. I'm going to take it as profit 3. Again, the same cell. Okay. We are going to calculate for 15%. We are going to calculate for 15%, so 0.15. Now we are having three scenarios. One first scenario, I'm going to change the profit. The second scenario, we are going to change 8%, 12%. So each one I have given the idea. I'm going to make the summary. I'm going to calculate the summary. When I click the summary, it will ask you which cells you are going to make changes. I'm going to select all the cells, the amount cell based on the changes. I'm going to select all the amount cell based on the changes. So I'm going to click OK. Now the Excel will calculate the table when we are changing the profit from 10% to 8%, how the salary, office expenses, research, community expenses, and tax profit, how they will change with respect to given three values. See, now you can find here that this is the current value when we are having 10%. So the next one, the profit when we are having 8%, how the values will change. How the values will change when there is the 8%. So you can find the change here. See, previously we are having 140,000 profit. When it is 8%, it is quite natural, it is reducing. When it is 12%, it is increasing. When it is 15%, it is increasing. But the corresponding values in other columns are also changing. Other columns are also changing. This is called what if analysis. This is called what if analysis. Now we have used only one scenario. We can use the other two questions, other two scenarios. We are going to use other two scenarios.